Hey folks, welcome to Picture This. I'm your host, John Pitcher. Today we're changing out the taillight bulb, this incandescent taillight bulb on my 2025 CRF300L RALLY. So I'm going to change it out for an LED oxydo bulb. And I'll show you the difference what it looks like here. So one of the things to keep in mind when you're doing this is if you go too bright with a white bulb, LED bulb, it'll shine through the red reflector and it'll look white even though it's red. So I opted for the red LED. I had one LED come and it was 800 lumens and it honestly was the same brightness as the incandescent one. So just to give you an idea what this one looks like. So I opted for the red one. That helps with that intensity of the white light coming through the red reflector. And it doesn't look good. So this looks actually pretty good. I've tried it already. I'm just giving you an idea what it looks like here. It's really hard to replicate on camera, but I'll overlay some video of what it looks like. So this is what it looks like with the incandescent taillight bulb. And this is what it looks like with the LED bulb. And now I'll show you what it looks like flashing off and on with the incandescent brake light. And now the LED brake light. So there you go, folks. If you found this video helpful or useful at all to you, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Until the next one, take care.